If you are looking for an awesome 2-in-1 wet vacuum dry cleaner, you're gonna wanna check this one out. So we're gonna go over kind of everything you have here, and I'm gonna show you it in use. So right here, this is gonna be the charging base. I'm gonna put this on here in a second. This literally just pops in here. This is a really nice feature. A lot of vacuums do not have a charging base, makes it super easy. Down here, this is gonna be your brush right here. This also will pop off, so you could open this, take it off, and wash it. This is gonna be your sewage tank. This is gonna be where you put your solution, your cleaning solution, and then we have this up here. This is gonna be your power button right here. You can see it talks to you. And this is gonna be where you're gonna switch the mode right here. And it also comes with a cleaning brush. So I'm gonna get this charged up, and then we're gonna take it for a spin. All right, so we're gonna fill this up with water here to get it going so we could do some cleaning. Really, really simple to do. This pops off really easily. All right, we just popped our water tank on right here, and let's get cleaning. All right, so we're gonna put some cornflakes down right here, just like that. And we're also gonna add some water, just like that. So you can see that right there. And this is gonna be able to pick it all up. Really, really like this. This goes edge to edge as well. Really like it. So we're gonna hit this button right over here to get it going. Just like that, I'm gonna push down. I'm gonna turn on the button right here. And we're just gonna get this up just like that. See that? So clean, not a problem at all. This thing is absolutely awesome. You see it just goes right through all of that. No issues whatsoever. We can clean the rest of it down here as well. You can see here, it just leaves no mess whatsoever. It picked everything up. This thing is absolutely awesome. All right, so everything we just picked up is gonna be right inside here. So we're literally just gonna pop that off just like that. You can see here, we have whatever, we got our cornflakes and water. All you have to do is dump that out, which is really, really nice. Some other things I really like about this vacuum is it is self-cleaning. So you have hot water washing and hot air drying. That helps prevent odors and bacteria. It's also self-propelling, so it will move forward with ease, as we kind of just saw before. It has voice prompts as well. You can support up to 5 different languages, and it provides real-time updates. And you can pause it anytime without powering it off. It is just edge-to-edge cleaning, a vacuum mop in one step. Just saves a ton of time. So if you're looking for a great vacuum, definitely check this one out. And a big thank you to the brand for sending me this so I could do this review.